Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class with the students of class 10 on the topic Unit 9, Lesson 3, Reading Done. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit 9, Lesson 3, Reading Done. And students, look, our today's lecture is number 2 and homework number will be 2. I'm repeating, our today's lecture is number 2 and homework number will be also 2. Now students, please take your English for Today book. I'm going to read from Unit 9, Lesson 3. So let's start. Unit 9, Lesson 3, Name Plural Carrier. Students, we will start reading from part C. Read the text and answer the questions, following questions. Have you ever thought of a very creative career? Have you dreamed of a rosy environment full of color and fragrance? How much would you love it if you were placed in a store full of flowers the whole day? I'm just going to give you some clues about such a job, which can also be a business. So in this passage we will get idea about business, and the business will be based on flowers. So let's learn about this. Yes, daisies, violets, tulips, marigolds, dahlias, lilies, jasmines, roses, and all those things of beauty can also earn you a living if you handle them professionally. If you start such a profession, you will be called a florist. So when we will do a business of flowers professionally, we will handle this, it will be called a florist. A florist career is a good choice as an unconventional job for many around the world. So there are a lot of jobs, and it is an unconventional job for the whole world. Whenever you see eye-catching floral displays, you actually see the professional performance of a floral designer. So it is true, eye-catching floral displays can be done by or performed by a floral designer using both real and artificial flowers. With other granaries, florists prepare flower displays for a variety of events such as weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, official receptions, and even funerals. So there are a lot of occasions, and in all these occasions flower is must, and we can display flower for these different functions. Every flower comes with its distinct color, design, value, and meaning, which flower designers have to know well. To make decoration, to decorate any for any arrangement, florists have some ideas, some other knowledges about this. So it makes the function well designed. There are conventions and meanings associated with flowers. We know that conventionally roses are meant for romance and marriage anniversaries, and tulips for birthdays. So basically, rose is perfect for marriage and romance, and we think tulip is perfect for birthday celebration. Although formal education or a diploma is not always essential for florists, they must have good taste, a good eye for colors, shapes, and proportion. So to make business on flowers, you don't have to take any diploma, or you don't have to get any knowledge, particular knowledge based on flower, but you must have the sense of taste, you have the perfection of colors, shape, and all this that is perfect for decorating any organization or any festival with flowers. They have to have good sense for selecting flowers, ribbons, and other associated accessories to make beautiful arrangements. So to make a beautiful, wonderful arrangement or eye-catching arrangement, you have to select perfect flower, ribbon, and other necessary elements. Professional florists are knowledgeable about not only flowers but also designs and techniques. Those who are working on this or who are involved in this business, they have adequate knowledge not only for flowers but also all these designs and techniques. Most florists learn the trade mainly through apprenticeship in a flower farming job and also by attending formal flower schools and courses. However, a true passion for flowers and a bit of aesthetic sense are all that can make a florist career successful. So if you have a passion for flowers and if you have sense about all these that is mentioned in the passage, you can build your career successfully with flowers. Flower designers earn fairly handsome money. So with this business, you can build up your career, you can earn a handsome money. But the bonus is that they work in a fresh and beautiful environment which their clients also enjoy. So for every business we can earn money, but you know what, in this business, in flower business, you can get extra bonus. And what is that? It is beautiful environment. It is scent of flowers. It is totally free for you. You will earn money, you will get the environment that nobody can get in other jobs. They work with flowers all day long in a pleasant and fragrant atmosphere with vivid colors around. So flower means a lot of colors, a lot of shape, a lot of beauty. So when you will work with all these all day long, you will be pleasant with the fragrant, with the color of these flowers. That's all for today. Now student, I'm providing your homework. Your homework will be this question answer. These 4 question answer will be your homework. I'm repeating, this 4 question answer will be your homework. So students, don't forget to do your homework. This question answer you have to do in your homework copy. That's all for today. Students, please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. See you in our next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.